They're in the red light. Can we go? For Christ's sake, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't think that was a stop. Do you think that was a stop? I was hitting the save button, lady. I wasn't waving at you, okay? Let's go. Thanks, stupid. Call that an exit dive. Not really an exit, but it counts. Stop before you turn. Never, 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 never make this light. Did he run the stop sign up there? Stop before you turn. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Wakey, wakey. Hello. Of course he's gonna roll a stop, right? Right. Of course he is. Probably gonna run this one too. And just rolled it. Yeah. Okay. Stay on your side of the road, lady. Yay! Jesus Christ, dude. You. Yep, exit dive. Don't take the back of my car off, will you? Thanks.
And even getting by 290 in Auburn, you're in pretty good shape. Up to the north, you won't have any problems yet on the upper end of 128.
Red.
Or Burlington.
Guess who just ran the red?
95's a nice ride from New Hampshire.
This douchebag.
No trouble going on Route 3 and Route 1's not too bad for Saugus.
Good job, dummy. Yeah. It's a little close, I think. Is that a stop? I don't think it was. I know that wasn't. Shocking, I know. Huh. Nice Q jump van. Are we gonna stop, Mr. Pickup Truck? Yeah, Mr. Fit didn't stop. Subaru kind of rolled it. This one's gonna, yeah, blow that. Yeah. He rolled it. It's a stop and a stop and a stop and a stop and, yeah, stop behind me too, dude, you know? No lady, whatever you are. See, it's stop sign. Ignore it again? Yep. Hey, lady, there's no left turn out of that parking lot. Don't you want to bet? There's one behind me. Runs the stop sign. Alrighty, here he goes. Yep. Yep. Was that 2? 3? Oh! There's no left turn here, stupid. That was a stop sign. Yeah, stop, red light, yeah, red light, thank you. Right to the, use the climbing lane, stupid.
The inspiration for the Ice Bucket Challenge, which has now raised over
Go,
$20
you
million
ass.
in searching for a cure for ALS.
Go!
We'll still have our Christmas trees up. You've got a real one. Time to take it down. Tell you all about that.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, Christ on a crutch.
1:33, let's go check the roads. It's traffic and weather together. The Subaru.
Car wash emergency, I guess. I don't know. That was a rolling the stop, and that was a rolling the stop. Yeah. That was it. Give me a dirty look, you fuckbag. Roll stop, roll stop, roll stop, roll stop, roll stop. First you stop, and then you go. So it works. It's not hard. It really isn't hard at all. Go. Go, green arrow, go, you shitheads. Thanks. A lot, thanks.
She said now they do a draw, you know, you draw her name instead of getting buying for everybody.
Nice. I'm not waiting around. I don't want anything. Yeah, that's a stop sign. Thank you. I thought there was a stop sign up there. That he didn't stop there either. I thought that...
I hate this one up here.
Guy behind me's gonna run the stop sign. I just know it. It's yellow. It's red. And it's supposed to stop before you turn. Fuck. Dude, come on! Go! Wakey, wakey, you shithead. And yeah, run the red, right? Go, yeah, run the red and red. Pick ahead. Stay clean. Oh, please pull out in front of the cop. Ah, he just ran the red. Oh my God. Cop, get him. Get him, get him, get him. I don't see the lights popping back there. Oh boy. See this old man run the stop sign? Ready. Yo! How'd I predict that? Yeah. That one ran it. Let's see if that'll pick up. Again, one runner. 2 runners. Yes, 2 runners. 3 runners. 4 runners. See, is this stop? It's now a double stop. See, this one won't stop either. Right. Didn't stop. Is the Jeep gonna stop over there? Yes, he did. Okay. And Honda did not stop behind me. Mofos everywhere. You gonna stop? You gonna stop? Nope. Are we a little impatient today? Let's see. And we didn't stop! Yay! Ready to stop! Whew, excuse me. Directed left lane Subaru. Cut off by a Corolla. No one else will do. And you're out. You tell me how much you exit dive. Oh. I'm going to be totally shocked if either of these cars run the stop sign at the end. Oh my God, I'm shocked. Oh my God, I'm shocked. Oh my God, I'm shocked. Shocked, I say. Yeah, it was a red light runner. The hell? Yeah. See, this will be interesting. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great. Oh boy. Oh God. Yeah. See, I'm staying in this lane because of the on-ramp up here. Everybody dives over. Really don't feel like them hitting me. Nissan's a suspect. It'd be nice if you're running your freaking headlights. It's the law. And see, I called it. Why don't you just jump all the way over to the HOV lane while you're at it? You fuck. You're a fucking douchebag! What the hell are you doing? You're just an asshole. Now he's in the left lane. Fuck is your problem, dude? You know, your problem is you're an idiot. Is this a Toyota? Oh, let's go. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you proceed, whatever. And so stop. Stop first. Stop first.